So the thing that's always curious is, or that people are always asking is, well, how do I get reviews, or how do I get keywords in my reviews? How do I get clients to leave keywords in my reviews? So one thing that you want to make sure is that you're not just being spammy about it. You don't want to tell your client to say, hey, when you leave this review, make sure you say, Bill is the best Orange County personal injury attorney, and I called him to help me with my Orange County car accident. You don't want to be spammy with it. You don't want to be overly spammy. But what you can do is, so what you can do is you can actually ask questions that will get keywords in the reviews. And what that means is that if you send clients keywords or questions to answer in advance, then they will automatically and naturally put the keywords in the reviews when they write the review. And not only that, it'll actually lead to a better review, and it'll make it more likely that they're going to leave the review, because one of the reasons that people don't leave reviews is because of writer's block. You got to remember, you've got to make it as simple as possible for somebody. And if somebody has no idea what to say, then they're just not going to say anything. So what you can do is you can send them an email that basically says, hey, thank you so much for taking the time to leave a review. Just to make sure your review is useful for everybody. Here are some questions that you can answer that will, ultimately make the review much better. So these are the questions that you can send to the client to make sure that they actually give you a good review. And also it will naturally get keywords in the reviews. So the first question is going to be, what was the problem you had prior to coming to our law firm? The second question is going to be, what made you choose our law firm over all other law firms? The third question is, what did we do for you? The fourth question is, as a result of this, what was the outcome? And then the fifth question is, how was your life, or how has your life improved since achieving this outcome? Now, this is really important, because what this is going to do is this is going to essentially allow the client to tell an entire story about your law firm. So they're going to say, what was the problem? I was in a car accident on the 405. I got rear-ended and I, couldn't get my medical bills paid. I contacted the Smith Law Firm and I ended up going with them because I really liked the personal attention that they showed me. And I really liked that the owner picked up, gave me his cell phone number and all that type of stuff. What did we do for you? We took, they took my case, they tried to negotiate with the car insurance company, but when it was clear that the car insurance company wasn't going to give us a fair settlement, then they were willing to take the entire case to trial. And as a result of taking it to trial, we ended up with a really nice settlement. And as a result of that settlement, I now am able to pay for the medical care that I need so that I can get healthy, I can get back to work, and I can take care of my family, and I don't have to worry about how I'm going to pay my bills anymore. So you'll end up getting reviews like that, which are much better than just the Smith Law Firm did a great job, thanks. You'll get really good reviews. And what's cool about that is you get all those keywords that are related to your practice area and the geographical location where you're located. And that's how you get keywords in your reviews. And it'll also make sure that more clients leave your reviews just because of the fact that you're making it easier for them. Everything you can do to make it easier for clients to leave your reviews is going to just drastically make this process so much easier, because you have to remember, everybody wants to take the path of least resistance. And the more steps that you can take out of their hands, the better it's going to be. And if thinking is one of those steps that you can take away from them, then by all means do that.